Okay, this is my desk. Let's go closer. So this is my chair. It's very much comfortable. Let's see what's underneath my desk. So this is my CPU and UPS, and there are some other paper things from previous semester. The staffs will take them away soon. Okay, let's put it back. Now this is the desk, but I'll start from left side. As my desk is a small one, I keep my name, designation, etc. here, and I put the washi tapes here and here because of some personal information and other things. So here is my name, designation, things, and I want to show this frame. It's an origami one. I made it myself, and I'll show in another video soon how to make an origami photo frame. Okay, now I want to share this thing and this thing. These are made by my students, and I gave them poster presentations. They did great job, so I wanted to keep their memories with these things. Now go to my main desk area. This is my PC, nothing special. I work in it a lot, and this is the favorite part of my desk to me. So at first, this is my water bottle. It's a 1.5 liter water bottle, and this is a fake cactus. I like to keep some green on my desk, so I keep it. This is actually pen holder, but I don't use it as a pen holder. I keep it because I like it so much, and there are two cute dolphins here. Okay, now this is the calendar. It's a DIY one. I made it myself, and this base I made it myself too, and I made this base to keep the height balance okay with the PC and the file organizer. Now see here, this is a Trinket Tray. I bought it, and this glass, I drink water in this glass. I like it so much, and this lid also. And I bought these three things from Best Buy RFL. I like their things so much. And this jar, I bought it from New Market. I put some chocolates here for my students and my guests. And this is not from RFL, it's from New Market. Now this is my lovely one, my globe. I like it so much. And the base here, I made it myself and made the height okay. And here is a paperweight, but as it's another globe, I placed it behind my pen holder. So this is my pen holder. It was a gift from my uncle, and I put the things, you know what, the things. And this tray under the pen holder, I kept my eraser and the small things that I can keep in the pen holder. So I kept it here so I can get them easily. Okay, now this is the file organizer here, and I decorated with this washi tape and the color paper. And here is a push pin. I used to keep my scissors here, but now I keep it in my drawer, but the push pin is still there. And there are my files and papers, work related things. Okay, now I want to share this one. This is not work related, but I love it so much. It's a small notebook in this packet, and I like to write my poems here. It's a very special thing, and I keep it handy, so I keep it here. Now I want to share a special thing. It was a flower, fake flower, but it was a gift, a birthday gift from one of our ex-colleagues. I like it so much, and I keep it here and keep her memory. Okay, now here are some other work related papers, nothing special, but I want to share these things. They are Kusudama flowers. I made them myself, and I have a video on how to make Kusudama flowers. I'll give the link of that video in the description box below, and you'll also find it in the info cards. So yeah, I made these flowers for other purposes, but it didn't work there, so I ended up decorating my desk with the flowers. Now these two drawers, I want to share them, my desk drawers. And the first one is there's a lock, but it's now unlocked because I want to share it with you. So let's open it and see. So these are the things. This is an umbrella. I use this. I have another one in my bag, but I use this when I go to the nearer buildings of my office. And yes, these are some paper things, some offset paper here and some colored papers and other papers, and then some quiz sheets. And what's underneath that? Let's see. Some what? Oh, there are some envelopes and other papers. So okay, so mainly this is a drawer of papers, different kinds of papers. Now the second drawer. Okay, this drawer is my lovely one. I keep lots of things here. In this pouch I keep some medicines and my spoon and fork with some tissue, and here I keep an extra pair of glasses. Okay, and here the Vaseline pot, I keep salt here, and this is double-sided tape, sharpener, and here some push pins in this small box. But I want to share another thing under this box. Let's take it. So there's another box, I made it myself, and in this box I keep a pair of earrings actually. Okay, so now let's see. So here are my scissors. This is the bigger one and this one is the smaller one. Okay, now this one is my glue stick. I keep one here. And now this is my hole puncher. I like it so much. And this is a clay pot. I keep several things, blade and staples, scotch tape, rubber bands, James clip, some smaller things. I like this pot so much. It's so cute with the lid. It was actually a salt pot, but I use it in this way. And here my paper napkin. So these are all the things. And this thing, these partitions, I made them myself. They are not here in the drawer actually, but I made them and make the things organized, the whole drawer organized. So this is my whole drawer, and this is all about my desk. Hope you enjoyed, and yep, thanks for watching.